To dynamically forecast demand, first we ask the right questions about your business. What do you do? Who are your customers? Do you have stores? Where are they located? We then augment this baseline information with global data including how your stores are affected by seasonality, bank holidays, days of the week, and more. After better understanding your business, we isolate individual stores and model them independently. We examine how customers in these areas are behaving. Is it an area of growth? Will it be impacted by reduced disposable income? While also considering more dynamic effects such as weather, tourism, travel disruptions, proximity to transport, and event hubs. Answering questions like, what if there's a stadium nearby? Will people be walking past your store en route? What are the demographics of people going to those events? Are they likely to interact with your business? We combine all this information with our advanced models to reveal what regional demand could look like. Equipped with this foresight, you'll start making more profitable, localized decisions on staffing, inventory, promotions, and pricing. We help optimize your costs while enabling you to deliver services that exceed your customers' demands. Smart businesses stop gambling and start taking more profitable actions guided by the most accurate foresight with Predictable.